Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about how to crop a picture using Canva on your laptop or PC. So let's talk about it step by step. So for the first step, go to your Canva account and log in, and then choose a design from the create design option. I have chose this one from my PC, and then just go to the left bar and it will say crop, and if you click on this will take you to another portal. There are so many tools other than the crops and all. As you can see, you can customize the position from here. You will just need to drag your cursor down right there to crop it from underneath, and if you want to crop it from the side, you can basically just do it like this. And if you want this grid according to aspect ratio, you can just select anything from here. I'm selecting 1:1, and as you can see the borderline is like this, and if I choose 16:9, and it will show up like this. So I'll just go with the 1:1, and after it's done, I'm also showing you some other features as well in this video. You can just drag it if you want it vertically. As you can see, I'm sorry, if you just do it, it's already being vertical. See, it's easy. We'll just go back to 0, and you can also make it horizontal from here, and that's it. That's how it's done. After you are done editing or cropping it, all you need to do is click on done, or you can reset it if you think there has been a mistake or something, or just renew it from here in the tools. You can see the comparison between see, this is it. So all you're going to do is click on done, and these tabs will be accessible as you can see it here. You can also use some filters here like this one or maybe this one, and then just click on this download option and it will straight download on your laptop or file you prefer. Or if you don't want it to download straight right away after editing that, you can just click on save, and it will save on the Canva dashboard of your account. And that's it. That's how it works. So if you found this video helpful, as you can see it's safe to upload, you can edit it more from this section. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell before going. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.